what are some of the obstacles that you may run into that you don't know about when you're starting a commercial project? Hey guys, John Pruitt with Addison Riley. Give us a call at 776-5009. I'm really excited to talk to you about the project that we're starting right behind this wall. As you can see, our sign's up here, but what's really cool is Pinspiration. Stop by here on Davis Highway next to the TJ Maxx and the Sprint and get a little flyer. It's a pretty neat craft place that we're putting together, and the owners will be able to tell you a little bit more about it. But let's go on inside and show you what this place is going to be doing, and we're going to kind of show you some videos as we're going. For a lot of you who are looking to do a commercial project, you can kind of see what you're going to be going through and how it all comes together at the end. So let's go on inside. All right guys, here we are. We're inside of the new Pinspiration, and man, are we doing a lot of work here. This floor that I'm standing on was all glued down carpet. Well, we're taking it out of here, and then we're going to grind all of the glue off. And you see this little machine over here? It looks like a bunch of mud. Well, that's basically what we're doing, is we're grinding and grinding and grinding away. So let me show you what the floor is, how it's going to change. Is as they're grinding, they're pulling that glue up, and obviously it's going to create some dust. It's also going to create some humidity, and that's why we're having some sweating around the metal of the storefronts. But all that will go away. But if you can, I don't know if you can even see it, but here's some dried up glue, and that grinder is just grinding it away. And you can see this is what this entire floor was. It was completely yellow. Now, right here, it's all gone. So what we're going to be able to do, mop it, clean it up, and then we're going to be able to stain the concrete. That's going to save you money from having to tile the entire place. A really good option if you don't want to pay for flooring, or flooring that's going to maybe crack or something of that nature, or get dated. They can stain it or paint it or whatever they want to do. For a little aesthetics, we're going to be removing all of the acoustic ceiling tile, and I shouldn't say we're going to be because it's already gone. We're going to paint the deck and all the ductwork and everything black so it all disappears, but we're going to leave the grid in place so it'll give you a little bit of an architectural feel. Here's where it really gets fun. We're going to have to move some walls. We've got an office that goes in the back, 2 brand spanking new ADA compliant bathrooms. We have a bar going over here, and what's really cool is a splatter room. So over here we're going to have our bar so you can do beer and wine. There won't be any liquor in here. This is the splatter room. We'll build a wall. You can come in here and do the Joker from the 1982 Michael Keaton Batman movie and just start throwing paint everywhere. It's going to be awesome. And then back here is where the ADA compliance will be. So what are some of the obstacles that you may run into that you don't know about when you're starting a commercial project? Let's think about fire. Well, you have to have fire separating your unit from the unit next door. We ran into that issue here because it's calling for a 2-hour firewall on this side of the wall and that side of the wall. We don't have to worry about Sprint. They've got a block wall in between. Here we have metal studs, but it only had 1 sheet of sheetrock on it at 5/8, so that only gives you 1 hour. So we have to put another layer of sheetrock on it to give us the fire rating that they're requiring. And then you can see up top, we have to caulk it with a particular fire caulking that will obviously be flame retardant. So there's a lot going on here. This is a really cool idea that the owner's doing. It's going to be a place where if you go to the places where you put paint on canvases, not trying to name drop anything here, they give you a picture and say, okay, paint this. Well, this is going to be a place where you can come in and do arts and crafts, but you get to select what you want to do. Come here with a group of friends, a birthday party, have some beer, have some wine, have some refreshments, and then sit down with your friends and build what you want to do, not necessarily what the entire group is doing. So guys, this is going to be a great place called Pinspiration. It's off Davis Highway by the TJ Maxx and the Sprint store. As always guys, AddisonRiley.com, Facebook at Addison Riley LLC, 776-5009.